Hi my plus 2 maths friends. Here we discuss mean value theorem. That f be a real valued function defined from the closed interval a b to r such that f is continuous on the closed interval a b and f is differentiable in the open interval a b, then there exists some c. There exists some c means x equals c in the open interval AB such that f dot c, that means derivative of the function at the point c f of c, or derivative of that function f dash x at x equals c. F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is given as mean value theorem. What is it? A function, a real function in the open interval ab is given and is differentiable, not open interval but closed interval, and is differentiable in the open interval. The function is continuous in the closed interval and it is differentiable in the open interval. In that case, there exists some c. C means a real number in AB, in the open interval AB, such that f dot c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. We shall describe it in geometric form. Let the function be given by this curve, and the interval is x equals a to x equals b. This is the interval given. The function is given as this curve, and this curve has continuity from a to b, and it is differentiable to, this is a continuous function without any break. You can differentiate it, then in that case f of b means the value of the function at x equals b. F of a means the value of the function at x equals a. That means the y coordinate at x equals b and the y coordinate at x equals a. F of b minus f of a means y2 minus y1, and b minus a means the second x point minus the first x point. It can be x2 minus x1. Actually, what is this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1? It must be the slope of the chord joining a f of a and b f of b. Here we have got 2 points, a f of a and b f of b. Slope of that line segment is difference in y coordinates divided by difference in x coordinates. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 will give the slope of a line segment. Here f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a should be the slope of this line joining a f of a and b f of b. And we can very well draw a line parallel to this chord touching the curve at some point. We can draw a line parallel to this chord touching this curve at some point. That means at this point C f of C, the line drawn is tangential to the curve. Therefore, the slope of this chord and slope of this line will be same because they are parallel. That means f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a is the slope of the line segment and is the slope of the tangent. Actually, what is the slope of the tangent at this point? Slope of the tangent at some point of a curve is the derivative of that function at that point. Therefore, f dot c means derivative of that function at that particular point is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Actually, this is the slope of that chord during these 2 points. Parallel lines have same slope. That is the idea used here. F of b minus f of a by b minus a is the slope of the chord joining these 2 points. It will be the same slope of the tangent drawn parallel to the chord. And we shall do some problems to illustrate this mean value theorem. Okay? Thank you.